Hello everyone, today you are watching a video on zoology and the topic is animal classification. Now by the end of this video, we would have broken animals down into two major classes and then we were going to further break one of the class to smaller groups. To begin, do you remember that animals are living things? Yes, an animal is a living thing and it is divided into two major groups which are vertebrates and invertebrates. They might sound alike but they are very different groups of animals. What makes them different? The difference between a vertebrate and an invertebrate animal is the presence of a backbone. The presence of a backbone, which means that vertebrate animals have a backbone while invertebrate animals do not have a backbone. Good. Can you touch your back? Put your hand in the center of your back. That structure you feel there is called a backbone. And it gives support to your body. Only vertebrate animals have a backbone. Now, our main focus for today is vertebrates. What are vertebrates? They are animals with a backbone. And now let us go on to break this group into smaller classes. There are 5 main classes of vertebrates. The first class we are going to be talking about today are mammals. They reproduce by giving birth to their young ones alive. And some examples of mammals are dog, cow, and humans. Yes, humans are animals. The second class we are considering today are fish. Now for fish, they reproduce by laying eggs in water where they live. Some examples of fish are starfish, codfish, and clownfish. The next class of vertebrates are called amphibians. They are amphibians and they also reproduce by laying eggs in water, but over time their young ones grow up in land. Some examples of amphibians are salamander, frog, and toad. Another class of vertebrates are called aves. This class is made up of birds and they reproduce by laying eggs in a very dry nest. Some examples of aves are owl, parrot, duck. Finally, we have the reptiles. They are vertebrates with very scaly skin and they reproduce by laying eggs on land. Some examples of reptiles are lizard, turtle, and crocodile. Of course, there are many more examples, but just to mention a few. Now, to recap, we have learned that animals have two large groups which are called vertebrates and invertebrates. And today we have focused on breaking vertebrates into 5 classes which are mammals, fish, amphibians, aves, and reptiles. We have also seen that only mammals do not lay eggs. This is how we come to the end of this learning video. I'm sure you have learned a few things about mammals, a few things about reptiles, amphibians, aves, and birds. It's time for us to say goodbye. So have a lovely week ahead and stay blessed. Bye.